Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Karen. Today I want to share with you a new design with rainbow tourmaline crystals. A bracelet with clasp. Like usual, I will make it simple but elegant. If you have very nice quality crystals parts, you don't really need to make it too fancy or complicated. So I will be using 925 sterling silver parts, round beads, and the clasp with extension link. Tourmaline beads are around 3.5 mm, high quality. You see the clarity and the color. And then one irregular shape barrel bead. We have 3 colors here. This one is watermelon tourmaline, a little bit green and ruby red. And this one is totally green. I'm gonna make this one. And this one is ruby red. And of course, stainless steel wire with plastic coating, 0.5 mm in width, and small size positioning beads. Now let's do it. Okay, since the center tourmaline bead is green, I'm gonna use pink tourmaline on both sides, and then green, blue, yellow, and brown, from dark to light. This is a personal preference and you can try another way. And okay, we get about 10 inches stainless steel wire. Thread in one positioning bead and then thread in the first ring of the extension link. We cut it a little bit. And then we thread in the silver bead. Make sure that 2 wires go into the hole. Okay, this is perfect. And then we start to thread in the brown one. And then the yellow one. we hide this wire into the bead hole. Okay. It's very secured. We got one more to make. By the way, I have not been on Instagram for at least a month because of the VPN connection in China. So if anything urgent, please contact me at DIYnotion.com. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.